Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to take a closer look at this BMW E39 540i model, which is a metallic model made by KK models at the 1/18 scale. This model doesn't have any opening, so it's a seal model. It only has the functional steering. Let's start in the front. We have the headlights with the turning signal, which look pretty good. Also we have the fog lights, we have the BMW logo there. We also have some chrome on the grills. We have the 540i license plate. Sadly, no perforated grills for this model. Next, we have the wheels, which look pretty good. I really like this wheel model. Also, we have the BMW logo there in the center. And we have the brake disc and the brake caliper in the back. The interior looks pretty good, especially in this color. And it's nice you can see it. Everything looks pretty good there. As you can see, we have some wood trims there, some wood texture. Everything looks pretty good. In the back we have the stop lights, we have the BMW logo there, looking very good. And underneath the model you can see how the functional steering works. And also we have the exhaust that goes all the way to the back, and we have the back wheels as well. Tell me in the comments, what do you think about the model? I think it's a very nice model. It's a shame they didn't make the opening parts, but I really like this color combination, blue with cream interior. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos.